Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, everybody online. Guys, happy Tuesday. Believe it or not, we were at it again. This is a repeat client. We did their hardwood floors a couple weeks ago. We sanded, refinished it. The sanding team did and did a great job. We also repaired some tile and grout cracks in their bathroom and reset it. And now we're gonna clean and seal their tile and grout in their foyer, their hallway bathroom, and their upstairs bathroom as well. So that's what we're doing today. The client's excited. If you need the service, don't forget to reach out to us. There's information there. And also you can find us online. And we got you covered. We've been doing this since 2003. Remember, before you floor it, let us restore it. A cleaner home is a happier home. Also, if you walk on it, we work on it. But check us out. Also, before we get going, don't forget to hit the bell. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you would. Also, give us a follow on Facebook and Instagram. You'd be glad you did. All right, guys, we got a lot of valuable content and things that helps homeowners make informed decisions for their families and their loved ones. All right, guys, without further ado, let's get started. All right, guys, so that's the tile that the grout that we reinstalled. And I appreciate the rest of it, so it all look uniform. We already got the product down. Get this back to the original state, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys, now we got the product on there. The cleaning agent, now it's breaking up the soil, it's suspending it. We're gonna dwell for a little bit, and then we can go ahead and extract it with our spinner. And all this soil that's bonded to the floor, we're gonna break it up and get it back to a liquid state and get it cleaned and sanitized, and then we can seal it. Beautiful. Stay tuned. All right, guys, it's beautiful again. Great. Yeah, guys. All right, guys, you can already see the difference. As you can see how white that's becoming. Night and day, guys. Not only does the appearance look better, but it's hygienic. Back to the original state. So crucial and important. Protect your flooring and protect your investment. So we do, guys. We save floors. Beautiful. All right, guys, I'm gonna finish up. Stay tuned.